Hey gang, this is Dr. Hugh and coming at you, and today I just made a sporadic video because I got some labs back from a client that we've been working with. We've been doing lots of stuff. She is getting better, but I just wanted to make a correlation here so you can understand, like, clinically, what does it take for you to get better? What does it look like for a real, true workup to figure out what's going on with your physiology and apply therapies that actually make sense so you know what's happening with your body. So this is a female. I think she's, I would say she's in her 50s. Extreme chemical sensitivities, mold, cognitive pain, brain fog, pain, tendons all over her body, joint pain, tendon and muscle pain, and then vision and eye problems. So one of the testing that I'm doing is I'm checking for antibodies against tissue. Now, this is a very specific test. This is what we call an array 5. It's a test in California, but they check 24 different tissues to see if you have autoimmune disease against any tissue. And bam, 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 what happened? We found a problem. We found right here, arthritic peptide is positive. So anything that you see in here that's yellow or in pink means that this is a positive test. There's actually an autoimmune disease against that specific tissue. We also found autoimmune disease against her heart tissue and then her arthritic peptide. Now, what is arthritic peptide? Let's go over that. So this comes from the lab. So arthritic peptide is a chemical that's in every single joint in your body and muscles. And guess what? Let's go over to her initial intake form. Is she has cognitive pain, brain fog, joint pain, tendon and muscle pain all over the body, and eye problems. What are all those associated with? Connective tissue. All these things here are connective tissue problems, right? These right here are just, they're just like symptoms, but 3, 4, and 5 are connective tissue problems. Bam, we found a solution. We found, like, this is what's happening. Now what do you do about it? And we have a whole protocol on, what are we doing now about it, right? But here, I just want to show you this here because it's very, very interesting. Associated with joints, mixed connective tissue, mixed connective tissue disorder, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis. Again, mixed connective tissue disorder, celiac disease, polymyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis, which just means pain all over in your entire body. This actually gives someone clarity so they understand, like, what's going on. Then we can move forward. Here, we also checked mold. Guess what we found here, which is no shock here. We found what? Positive mold. Then we did blood test, and what do we find right here? We found, guess what? Really messed up lab test. White blood cell is low. You see the range here. No immune system to fight anything. When you have an autoimmune disorder like this, right, what happens is your immune system is always working, and what happens? It gets run down. So the immune system is run down, and then there's also some funny things happening here. She has this is a B12 marker, poor B12 absorption. I mean, there's just a lot of things going on. But here's, at the end of the day, if you're watching this, you can get better. There's no need to continue to suffer. You just need a guided, specific plan that someone that's in your corner. Now, with everything, there's always trial and error. You always got to try some things and move forward. But with guidance, you can really start to move the needle on healing. So I hope you enjoyed this. Clinically, this is a really, really great test, and it's a quick video. So if you're watching this, give me a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my station, and remember, is where there's help, there's hope. Take care. Bye-bye.